All right. Got something that I don't normally play with. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff up here at the property. Got my friend Kevin. Got his, what is this called now?
Ruger Carbine 45.
Ruger Carbine 45. It's a nice little Ruger Carbine. It's got a red dot on it and just some cheap fix sights. And like I said, I'm up here with my buddy Kevin. Say hi, Kevin.
Hello.
So we're shooting about 35 yards here. And let's get her zoomed in, and we're going to shoot that big gong on the top. So
Take out the gun. We went.
all right, so let's shoot that big gong there on the top. See if we can get that ringing. Always helps to flip the safety off. There we go. Well, it seems to be all right at about 30 yards without any difficulties. What else you gonna hit? Try hitting something else. Try hitting that new green bowling pin down there. Just aim center mass on it. See if you can get that new green bowling pin ring moving. There we go. How you guys like the new bowling pins? I just drilled a hole in the top. So, they're gonna be fun to shoot. Them are gonna be a lot of fun to shoot.
Small.
What are you shooting now?
The little one on the left.
The little one on the left. Uh-oh.
I missed.
He missed. There we go.
That was me that missed. What do you want me to shoot?
Uh-oh. What were you shooting? The bowling pins again?
Bowling pins.
You missed.
I missed.
You missed.
And that's all I had. Only got 8.
So, seems to be a good little gun.
It needs tweaking.
Yeah, I mean, 30 yards for 45 was, I don't know, maybe a 12-inch barrel or so, 13-inch barrel. No, I mean, it's got to be more than that. It's got probably 16. 16 just to be standard legal and stuff. So, but it's a nice little gun. I really like it. We've been shooting it. It's been doing okay. I think the trigger's a little creepy on it.
And it's brand new. It needs to be worked in.
Looks like it's got a threaded muzzle.
Yeah.
So that come off.
Just put a flash suppressor on.
There you go. So that unscrews. Oh, what? Oh, it's got a little O-ring in there to keep it right. So, but it seems to work well.
Folds up.
Folds up. We've been shooting hollow points and some odd ammo. Some, what do they call that stuff? That partition type?
Partition.
Here, let me see. Here.
This is my hollow points.
Well, so this is the hollow points we were shooting out of it.
It seems to run everything good.
It seems to run everything really well. Do we have any of that other weird stuff?
No, I don't. Well, in my black bag,
Yeah,
I do.
well, anyhow, just up here, we're going to try and film about maybe 5 or 6 guns today, so we'll have videos coming out all week. So, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, and God bless you and God bless America.